Welcome back to Ampersand Academy. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of data science. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned data scientist, knowing the right Python libraries can make a world of difference in your projects. So, in this video, we're going to explore the top 5 Python libraries that are indispensable for data science in 2023. Our first library is NumPy. NumPy is the foundation of data science in Python. It provides support for large, multidimensional arrays and matrices, along with a variety of high-level mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. With NumPy, you can easily perform tasks like array creation, manipulation, and mathematical operations. It's an essential tool for any data scientist working with numerical data. Whether you're dealing with data cleaning, analysis, or transformation, NumPy is a go-to library. Our second library is Pandas. Pandas offers data structures and data analysis tools for easy data manipulation, cleaning, and analysis. Pandas allows you to easily load, clean, and analyze data. You can perform tasks like filtering, grouping, merging, and even handling missing data. It's fantastic for organizing and shaping your data, making it ready for analysis. Our third library is Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a popular data visualization library for creating high-quality static, animated, or interactive plots and charts. Matplotlib enables you to create a wide range of visualizations, from basic line plots to complex 3D graphs. You can customize everything, from colors to labels, to make your data visually appealing and informative. It's perfect for exploring, presenting, and sharing your findings. Our fourth library is Scikit-Learn. Scikit-Learn is a robust machine learning library that provides tools for classification, regression, clustering, and more. Whether you're building predictive models or evaluating their performance, Scikit-Learn has got you covered. It also includes utilities for data preprocessing, cross-validation, and hyperparameter tuning. If you're venturing into machine learning, this library is a must-have. Our fifth library is Seaborn. Seaborn is a data visualization library based on Matplotlib, designed for making informative and attractive statistical graphics. Seaborn simplifies the process of visualizing complex datasets. It offers a high-level interface for drawing attractive and informative statistical graphics. With Seaborn, you can create beautiful and meaningful plots with minimal effort. To summarize, these libraries are the backbone of data science in Python. NumPy for numerical operations, Pandas for data manipulation, Matplotlib for data visualization, Scikit-Learn for machine learning, and Seaborn for beautiful statistical graphics. These libraries are not only incredibly powerful but also well documented and have active communities. So, whether you're cleaning data, building models, or telling a data-driven story, these Python libraries will be your trusty companions. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to stay tuned for more data science content from Ampersand Academy. And if you want to stay updated with our latest videos, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.